Coming at y'all live from the studio, man. Some shit I just wrote, man. I want y'all to hear. Give me an honest opinion. Sing along with it now. From the motherfucking bottom of the pot, your dollar. Yeah, ayy, I'm toting that chopper, ayy. And my dog will flop you, hit you in your mouth if you're talking that bullshit. I got a full clip, it's extended. Fit it round to your motherfucking head, nigga, no pretending. And I paid my dues, no play with you fools. I'm so fly as fuck, I'm high as fuck. Smoking on that perk, I'm bouncing. Blowing on some shit that I got from the mountain. I'm floating, smoke like a down Jamaican, no dreads. Blacker than the darkest night, body on my lead. Go ahead, make a nigga day. Got a semi-automatic, I blow your ass away. Hey, what I did to him had to be a tragedy now. Come forth, nigga, kneel to your majesty. I spit on the throne your boss man sitting on. I don't have respect for bosses. Hoes, I don't trust them. Money, I don't lust for it. Cause I was born from the dirt. Plus the Bible said the meek shall inherit the earth. Think I'm lying, nigga, do your research. Then come and holler at me when you finally find your rebirth. Shit, I'm a beast out here, and money can't change me. We was born into sin, so they can't blame me. I'm angry, the bitches say I'm mean too. I ain't got them all, plus I'm sticking on the beam too. Black clothes, man, I'm always disguised. And yours truly, Dardism.